You have an important deadline in just a few hours. You open your laptop determined to get started. But within seconds, cleaning your desk, organizing your files, or scrolling through random posts suddenly feels more urgent. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, and you don't lack discipline. Your brain has simply taken control. Most of us know this frustrating cycle. We promise ourselves that tomorrow we'll finally focus. But when the moment arrives, we procrastinate again and end up feeling guilty. Neuroscience tells us something surprising. Procrastination isn't a character flaw. It's a conflict between two parts of your brain. Imagine a battle between the executive and the survivor. The executive, located in your prefrontal cortex, is responsible for planning, logic, and self-control. It knows that finishing today's work will make tomorrow easier. The survivor lives in your limbic system, the ancient part of your brain focused on one thing: staying comfortable right now. It avoids discomfort, seeks quick rewards, and saves energy. Inside this system is the amygdala, your brain's threat detector. When you face a difficult or overwhelming task, it doesn't see a simple project. It senses stress, possible failure, or uncertainty. To protect you, it pushes you toward anything that feels easier. The moment you check social media, watch a video, or answer emails instead, your brain gets a small dopamine reward. That teaches your nervous system an unfortunate lesson. Avoiding the difficult task feels good. Over time, this habit becomes automatic. That's why procrastination is mainly an emotional regulation problem, not a time management problem. The good news is that your brain can change. Thanks to neuroplasticity, you can retrain it with 3 simple strategies. First, use the 5-minute rule. Promise yourself you'll work for only 5 minutes. Once you begin, the task feels less threatening, and momentum usually takes over. Second, break big goals into tiny actions. Instead of write the report, start with write 1 sentence. Small wins create dopamine and make it easier to continue. Third, practice self-compassion. Beating yourself up increases stress, making your brain crave even more distractions. Treating yourself with understanding helps break the cycle and regain focus. So the next time you procrastinate, don't call yourself lazy. Recognize that your brain is trying to protect you in an outdated way. Take 1 small step and let momentum do the rest. If you enjoyed learning how your brain works, like this video, subscribe to ThinkNova, and tell us in the comments, what task has your brain been avoiding this week?